You've come back to play. No, my hockey, my car, toy time. Oh, it's the trumpets. Yes! Let's go. Jojo, come and meet my best friends in the whole wide world.
Kia ora, ko Maia tōku ingoa.
And I'm Tama. And I have a question. Why are we standing outside in the cold, Jojo? It's makariri.
We're outside because we're waiting for something very beautiful and very special.
What is it? Can you give us a clue?
Sure. It's white.
The moon.
Not the moon.
Oh.
But it does fall from the sky.
Oh, rain. Is it rain?
Not rain. It's a lot colder than rain.
What's all this white stuff falling from the sky? It's snowing!
Wahi ana te Aotearoa. Isn't nature amazing?
Why? Thank goodness we have our warm clothes on so we can play in the snow. E mōhio,
Tēnā koutou.
mōhio, what can we do to have fun in the snow?
There are lots of ways you can have fun in the snow, Tama. You can slide across the snow on skis. You can make snow people out of it. You can even make snowballs and have a snowball fight.
Skis! What a great idea!
And I like the sound of a snowball fight.
Oh, thanks, mōhio. Huake tātou.
To the snow!
Kia ora, Jojo. Here you go. The poles you asked for.
Are these the right size?
Perfect. Put them on the table. We're making skis for us to go skiing in the snow. We just need to attach these tissue boxes. Will you guys help me?
Sure.
All right, Tama, pass those. One for Maya, one for you.
Thanks, Tama.
Ready?
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Perfect.
Jojo, that must mean that these are the ski poles.
That's correct, Maya.
Ski pole.
Alrighty, there's no time like the present. Let's go. Me haere, tātou.
Oh, oh. It's a bit slippery.
How exactly do we ski, Jojo?
Follow me. See?
Oh, hey, I'm getting the hang of this. Skiing is fun.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Here comes a jump.
This is fun! Let's go again! Oh, I think I'm getting the hang of it! I'm skiing! I'm skiing! Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow!
I remember the first time I saw it, and soon all that I saw had turned white. It was floating so slowly around me. It was such a beautiful sight. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. My God, it is cold on my nose. Snow is all around. I remember the first time I touched it. It was soft and so cold on my hand. Then I got down and made a snow angel, and our father made a snowman. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. My God, it is cold on my nose. Snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. My God, it is cold on my nose. Snow is all around. I remember the first time it melted, and the white on the ground disappeared. What a treat that it came here to visit. Maybe I can see snow next year. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. My God, it is cold on my nose. Snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. My God, it is cold on my nose. Snow is all around.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're at Good Planet Anor, and we're off to explore this amazing blow-up theme park. Hoake tātou. Look what I've found, cuzzies, a giant flying fox. Let's go. Oh. Check it out, cuzzies. I'm here at the top of the zip line. Rehe ko. Here at the zip line. Let's go! Climbing up the tower once again. Guess who we're off to? We're off to the stunt jump. Let me show you, cuzzies, what I'm talking about. Whoa. Oh. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Check this out, cuzzies. It's a giant sword. I'm gonna see how fast I can go around the racetrack. Come on. Yeah! Woo! Let's race. Woo! That was awesome. Come on. Okay, so here's the thing. I have found the mega slide, and I have to say, it's massive. And I am really, really excited. Here we go. Whoa! That was amazing. Okay, let's go. Wait. Whoa! Come on! an amazing day it's been today at Te Whānau. I've been on the stunt jump, the zip line, the mega slide, the Zorbs. Oh, I even got to go into the water. I can't wait to come back to Good Planet and have another good time. Awesome. Kia ora whānau.
Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got fruit for lunch today? I do. Who's got fruit for lunch today? I do. I've got apple slices. I've got a juicy pear. I've got a box of raisins. I've got an orange here. Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got vegetables today? I do. Who's got vegetables today? I do. I've got carrot sticks today. I've got a broccoli tree. I've got a red tomato. Will you please share with me? Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. Who's got sandwiches today? I do. I've got peanut butter. I've got cheese and ham. I think I've got Marmite. I've got strawberry jam. Hey friends, come sit with me. What's in your lunchbox today? Hey friends, come sit with me. First we'll eat and then we'll play.
Okay, you ready? You steady? It's time to play 4 in a row. The aim of the game is
To get 4 in a row?
That's right. Yeah. We each take turns putting in one of these coloured discs, and the first person to get 4 of their discs in a row wins. You can get 4 in a row this way. You can get 4 this way. You can get 4 this way. Any way you want, as long as you get 4. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's play.
Okay, you go first.
All right, I'm gonna go here.
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Okay, I see what you're doing there. I'm gonna go here.
Ooh, I see what you're trying to do. I will go here.
Oh, I need some more discs. Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Ooh, I'm going to go here.
Oh, I see what you're
I know what you're doing, Buzz.
I'm gonna go here.
I'm going to go here.
Yes, I'm gonna go here. I win! I got 4 in a row!
Nice one, Buzz.
Good game, Tama!
Oh, thank you so much for playing with me. I love playing 4 in a row. It's perfect on a snowy day when you feel like being all warm and tucked up inside.
Rematch?
Bring it on, Donkey Kong.
Don't be last, Mr. Katz.
Oh, well, not after you do.
Oh, I see what you did there.
I can't wait to get outside and have some fun in the hukarere, the snow. But first I need to make sure I've got the right layers on to keep warm. Nobody likes to be all shivery and cold when they're trying to play in the snow.
Right, let's go.
Here we go. Jacket. Oh, it is so nice. Oh, here. What's next? Ooh. Ta-da! my beast. Nice and toasty.
Cool.
What's next? Hat. Hat. Oh, gloves. Gloves. Hey. Right. Don't forget your shoes. Right. I'm ready for snowball fight!
No peeking, Norma. I got a surprise for you. I want you to meet someone really cool. Ta-da!
Oh, wow! It's a snow person!
Mr. Cool, meet Oma. Oma, meet Mr. Cool. I'd love it if you two could be friends.
Oh, well, any friend of Wolfie is a friend of mine.
Mr. Cool is really shy, but he's really good at a game called Freeze.
Oh,
Ready?
yeah.
3, 2, 1, freeze!
A is for apple, apple, apple. A, apple. D is for dog, dog, dog. D, dog. E is for egg, egg. E, egg. H is for hat, hat. H, hat. J is for jelly, jelly. J, jelly.
L is for ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. L, ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. M, monkey. N is for nose, nose. N, nose. O is for orange, orange. Orange, oh, orange.
Q is for queen, queen. Q, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. R, rainbow. T is for tiger, tiger. T, tiger. U's for umbrella, umbrella. U, umbrella. Y is for yogurt, yogurt. Y, yogurt. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z, zebra.
Hello? Today we making snowflakes. You need paper and scissors. You fold your paper.
Squish it flat, Ollie. Now squish it. Can you squish it down?
You cut holes in it. You need to be careful with scissors.
Good job.
We can do.
It's a car. I've got triangles. Then you unfold it. Wait. Whoa! Wait.
Wow.
I made a
Nice one.
You got a snowflake.
Whoa, that's a snowflake crown.
It's snowing. Bye.
I have a pet dog at home. Her name's Maya Paku. Even though she's an animal, she likes to be snuggled up inside, out of the cold. Tēnā koe mōhio. What happens to animals if it's cold outside and they don't have a home to snuggle in?
Tēnā koe, Maya. Some creatures, like the tuatara, will hibernate during winter.
But what's hibernate?
Hibernating is when the tuatara snuggles into a burrow and goes to sleep for months and months. When spring comes and it's warm again, the tuatara wakes up.
Well, I bet they need a big breakfast after that long sleep.
They sure do, Maya. A big hearty breakfast of beetles and worms.
Lekker. Thanks, Mōhio.
Snow is falling to the ground. There's no one else around. I put on my warm gloves and I head outside. Snow, snow, snow is white, white, white. I dance in it, it feels good to be alive. I am toasty in my hat. I throw a snowball at the cat. Snow is falling to the ground. There's no one else around. I put on my warm gloves and I head outside. Snow, snow, snow is cold, cold, cold. You freeze from it, gives you a big red nose. You look like a reindeer pulling a sleigh. Reminds you of Christmas Day. Snow is falling to the ground. There's no one else around. I put on my warm gloves and I head outside into the snow. Into the snow. Snow.
Welcome back, Hoama. It's time for What's in the Box? Hokarere style. There are 3 items in the box, and Maya's going to put her hand in and guess which one is snow. Kwarite koe?
Ai, kwarite. Okay. This one's not cold enough for snow. Oh, well, that one was a little bit cold and mushy, so it might be snow. Oh, that one was really cold, soft, and icy, so I think... Oh, this one's snow.
Ah, nice one, Maya. You're correct. Do you know what the others are?
Well, the middle one was a bit mushy and I can still smell it, so shaving cream.
Katikara.
And, well, the first one felt like the beach, so no reira. He one pū, sand, isn't it?
It sure is. I love building sandcastles in the summertime.
And throwing snow in the winter time.
Maya.
Jojo!
Hi. Hi.
Hi hat. Good. This one here? Snare drum?
Hi.
High tom? Very good. Right, left, left, right, right, and the opposite sticking. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Should we have a go at playing together? I'm going to count to 4, then come in on beat 1, Sophia. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, Sophia. Let's do a drum solo.
Talofa. I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita's real-life snow globe. Snow globe. It's a cold, wintry night in Te Waipunam. Snow silently falls from the sky onto chimney rooftops, on mountains, on rimu treetops, and on the takehe that play in the hills. Tavita's whole lainga are at their winter holiday home. They finish dinner and sit beside the fire with mugs of koko Samoa, marshmallows, chocolate, biscuits, panipopo, and panikeke for dessert. Tavita is mesmerized by an old snow globe he has found. He shakes it up and down. Snow swirls around the tiny city and people and a tiny dog that live inside the globe. Tavita sees out the window that snowflakes are falling from the sky and calls his nana. They all run outside to feel the snow. Even Ace the taifao was wagging his tail in excitement. Tavita looks up at the sky and feels the snowflakes fall on his nose. All the grandkids follow Tavita, tasting the snow and giggling. Just like a real-life snow globe, Tavita whispers to himself. So far, soifua. See you next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soifua. Ka kite anō, we'll see you